Hello everyone, this is Frontier. Welcome back. In our last videos, we saw about what is machine learning, types of data and pre-processing the data part 1 and part 2. Today's video is all about continuation of pre-processing the data. In last video, we saw filter method in feature selection. Let me jump to the remaining methods of feature selection like wrapper method and embedded method, and also let me see brief discussion on its subdivision. First we see forward selection in wrapper method. It is an iterative method in which we start with having no feature. Feature is the variables which is used to predict the target. If you still have doubt about what is feature and target, kindly watch the video which is pinned above to get clear about features and target in the model. In each iteration, we keep adding the feature which best improves our model till an addition of a new variable does not improve the performance of the model. Let's see an example. Here, each column represents one feature variable. First, we took first column. Performance of the model gets improved, so we added it. And we considered about next feature. Consider performance got improved, so we added that feature also in our model. Like this, we go on with all the features until addition of a new variable makes the performance worse. Here consider the fourth column makes the performance of the model worse, so we excluded that. Next, backward elimination in wrapper method. In backward elimination, we start with all the features and remove the least significant feature at each iteration. We repeat this until no improvement is observed on removal of features. Let's see an example. Here, each column represents one feature variable. First, we took all the features and measures the performance. Next, we removed least significant feature and found the performance of the model again. We will do this until no improvement is observed on removal of features. Next, recursive feature elimination in wrapper method. It is a greedy optimization algorithm which aims to find the best performing feature subset. It repeatedly creates models and keeps aside the best or the worst performing feature at each iteration. It constructs the next model with the left features until all the features are exhausted. It then ranks the features based on the order of their elimination. Let's see an example. Here we chose 1, 2, 3 and 5 as a combination of features for building the model, and we recorded the performance of it. Next, we select 1, 2, 3 and 4 to create a separate model, and performance of it will be measured and kept aside. Like this, we go on and try all possible combinations. So, among this, we choose combination of features which shows better performance. Next, lasso and ridge regression in embedded method. It is a simple technique to reduce model complexity and prevent overfitting. Ridge regression. The cost function is altered by adding a penalty equivalent to square of the magnitude of the coefficients. Lasso regression not only helps in reducing overfitting, but it can help as in feature selection. Don't worry about the new terms. We will do a separate video on this topic. Okay, let me move on with removing duplicates and data wrangling methods in pre-processing. Removing duplicates. While training a supervised learning algorithm, the usual assumptions are that data points are independent and identically distributed. Training and testing data is sampled from the same distribution. In light of these assumptions, you should not throw out the identical data points. But these assumptions never hold completely in practice because data we collect from some source will have repetition. So, if you are concerned that some data that appeared seldom in your data set, I suggest that you dig deeper into the data set and figure out why there is such a discrepancy between the distribution of your training and testing data. You can't just pick it and throw it out. Next, data wrangling or data mangling. Data wrangling is the process of cleaning, structuring and enriching raw data into a desired format for better decision making in less time. For example, if your data contains like categorical value male, female repeatedly, you can categorize into numerical values such as 0 and 1. Likewise true or false and yes or no. Okay, in today's video we saw about feature selection in preprocessing, and in that we saw wrapper method and embedded method, and next we saw about removing duplicates and data wrangling. I hope you all gained some idea about pre-processing the data. Okay, stay connected. We will catch you on our next video. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to Frontier 2020.